YouTube. So day 30, wow, what a big one. I can't believe it's been a month. That's just incredible to me. So the market's down. I did buy some Planet 13 today. I had a little issue with one of my accounts, and I called Fidelity and got that straightened out, and we did buy some Planet 13. It's one of my pot stocks that I really, really like right now. Cryptos are down. Keto, I call it dirty keto right now because I'm enjoying a drink after work every once in a while. And today, again, like any other day, I just had a small, and not very much, but it's still dirty keto. I still eat keto, but I just, when you throw alcohol with it, it just creates too much sugar and it doesn't do the diet any good. So Daisy went for a walk right here. I did grab a picture this morning. You can see her right here walking. And then today is a monumental day. I got my first unemployment check. So it's been 1 month since I was laid off, but don't forget I went back to work and I worked a couple of weeks, or I didn't work 2 full weeks, but I got paid for 2 full weeks in the middle of all this. So then I got my first unemployment check today and it was unbelievable. $1,180, I couldn't believe it. So my regular unemployment is $580, and then I guess the government gives us another $600. So immediately I took the $600 and I bought Bitcoin, because that's what I'm doing with all of that money that the government's going to give me. I'm buying Bitcoin. That's exactly what I did with it. So then we have $580. I put 400 in savings. I put 180, left 180 in there for groceries. And then Bev gets paid this Friday too, so it leaves us, I don't know. I had to pay an $81 credit card bill. That's what we owed on our credit card. And because I don't make monthly payments on our credit card, every time I get paid, whatever the balance is, I just pay it off, and we only have one credit card. And we just use it to pay, there's a few monthly bills that we pay with it. So anyway, it's all paid, everything's paid, and I paid for our insurance next month. I've already saved up enough money, the $900 to pay that insurance bill. So any more money that I can possibly stick in savings this month just goes into savings. That's a great feeling. So, you guys know I bought Bitcoin. So here's a couple pictures here of Daisy. She tried on some of BooBoo's when Bev was cleaning out the garage this weekend. We found some of Boo's old sweaters, and we put them on Daisy here. You can see her in the bumblebee sweater. It's so cute. It doesn't quite fit her. BooBoo was a little bit bigger, but it was cute just seeing it. Work, we're gearing up here. You can see me with Paco. What's up, Paco? Peace out. Anyway, Paco is one of our leads in there. He's a young man that's coming up in the ranks there, and he's a lead in the shop actually. Today he was my boss. I worked in his section, and always glad to work with him. And I was milling parts all day long. So long day, hard on my feet, but never even really went in the office. I went in there a couple times because I go in there and I disinfect the whole place 3 times a day. And then I relieve the front lady at the counter there, Patty, so that she can go, if she has to go to the bathroom or she goes to lunch break or whatever she does, I go relieve her whenever she needs to. And after that, I'm out there, and, I just check in with the foreman and I say, what do you need me to do? And then we're out there in the shop milling parts, all of us. And it's, it's easy work, and it's fast paced. And it's super, like the day just goes by. You just close your eyes, and next thing you know, it's over with, because you just keep your head down. You just keep milling the same part all day long, every day. And then tomorrow it could be a different part, but that's all you do is the same part every day, because we need thousands of these parts. So it's fun, and it keeps us busy and it keeps your mind occupied. And that's what I did all day. So, and then folded metal, we sold 2 clutch liners. Unbelievable what folded metal's been doing. So we sold two inner clutch liners for the Can-Am X3s, and then we did sold a couple of our UV5 brackets. So anyway, that's super cool. It's always great to see that happen, and I can't believe what this little company's gonna do. And I'm really, with this Trawler thing, I'm getting excited. I'm talking to Bev about we're going to take our vacation. We'll go check out the Trawler down there. We've had a planned vacation for July, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go down to Jacksonville, Florida, and the beauty about all that is we have an office in Jacksonville, not in Jacksonville, in Orlando, but it's close enough, and it's possible I could do a transfer down there and finish out my last few years at Zonowski. I would love it, absolutely love it if that worked out. But who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows if Zarnowski can even survive this? Right now, I'm enjoying working my, you know, if I work a week off, week on, week off, week on, I'm cool with that. Just keep grinding it out. That's all I can do right now, and then keep just packing it away as fast as I can. That's the best, you know. That's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. Day 30. Practice your social distancing. I think this thing's going to be, you know, we can start to see an end to it. I think we still got a little ways to go here. We don't want to have relapses and stuff like that, and we are still building wall panels. Just right now, these panels are going to Washington, D.C. So you know that they're still out there. There's still people that need these things. So and it's just started. They haven't even got these panels yet. So it's still got a little ways to go, I believe. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, peace out. We love you guys. Be good out there. Practice social distancing. And be ready to start spending some of that government cheese when it comes in. You know, I'm buying all Bitcoin. I can tell you that right now. All my government money goes to Bitcoin. Whether it's right or wrong, that's where it's going. That doesn't mean we won't spend when the economy opens back up. We won't go out to the restaurants and eat and stuff like that. We will. But as we're downsizing right now, we just don't need all the, you know, we don't really need anything. Anyway, we're trying to sell everything. We don't need any more junk. We got plenty of junk. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. Be safe out there. Bye.